my channel. I'm Curtis91, and if this is your first time, then welcome. I hope you find something on here that helps you with your hair journey, or something that's entertaining, or something that you like, and that'll keep you coming back. And I hope you consider to subscribe, and if you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a new video. Now, I'm in this Christmas Faux Hawk series, and I've done 3 different Faux Hawk hairstyles. I did a Bun Faux Hawk, I did a Bubble Faux Hawk, and then this one was the 3rd video where I did a Goddess Braid Faux Hawk. Now you can check that out. I'll put it and link it somewhere up here, and I'll put all 3 videos in the description if you want to see how they came out. But this is the last look today, and it's going to be kind of like a tucked in twist Faux Hawk. So if you want to see how that turns out, then just stay tuned. My hair is already sleeked and separated into 3 sections from my previous video, so now I will twist them around into mini buns and tuck my ends in with bobby pins. Now I will attach 2 bundles of pre-stretched cankalon to the front bun and 1 bundle of cankalon to the back bun. I separate the back section into 2 and twist each section using a rubber band at the end to prevent untwisting. I do the same to the front as I did to the back, but instead I will make 4 equal sections of twists. I take one of the twists from the front of my head and wrap it around the second bun to cover up my hair. Then I take a second twist, wrap it past the second bun, around the 3rd bun, and tuck it under the hair of the first twist, then secure with a bobby pin. Next, I take 1 twist from the back, wrap it around the front bun, and tuck it under the previous twist, securing with a bobby pin. I wrap the next twist around the front bun again, this time making sure my hair in the 3rd bun is covered. Once all the hair is secured with bobby pins, I roll the first twist to the side of my head to form a swoop, and wrap the second twist around the first swoop to make it more elaborate or bigger. And now you have it, a twisted Faux Hawk.